What's good, YouTube? It's your boy More High Tall, and I'm back with another video today, man. Hey, today is a POV. I was gonna show y'all like me changing the oil in the Jeep, like post that, but I haven't really had that much time to even get the oil. I feel like today I should do that, but I'm nowhere. I thought I was gonna like take my trip and then be at the miles I needed to change it at, but I'm not even like really nowhere near it. So I was like, I might as well just wait till I get back for real, like when it hurt me. So yeah, that's the only thing I got. Oh snap! Yeah, I got for y'all boys today. It's currently like 11. It's currently 11 right now. Damn, that bump was crazy, boy. Y'all seen that? But yeah, we about to go on a back road right now. You got a little. I think I want to change my exhaust, bro. Like, make this shit loud, like, cause I know y'all barely hear it. And I like hearing it. Like, listen to this stuff. Coming straight off. Trying to tell y'all that shit sound crazy. Well, it's a V6, so it ain't gonna sound like no V8, but it just sound like kind of good. You feel me? So yeah, especially just in the car. Right, that shit, it low-key get up too. Like, it may not seem like it's just like it's throwing me back. Maybe I'm just weak. You feel me? Maybe I need a little V8 in me to show me this Jeep ain't really what it is. You feel me? But yeah, y'all, it's the only thing I got going on right now. I'm just driving around. I'm really hungry, so I'm about to stop and get something to eat. I don't know where I'm gonna get something to eat from, but yeah. Go to CarMax, but I really don't feel like having a salesman in my face like ask me, do I want to buy a car today? Cause no, nigga, I don't. I mean, no, man, I don't. So yeah, there you go, CarMax right there. Man, let me know down in the comments, man. Like, what's y'all dream car? Cause I don't like. I know my dream car, but I know I can get it. Like, let me not say I know I can get it, cause like, I know I can get it. Cause anything you can get if you put your damn mind to it. So yeah. So if I put my mind to it, man, I know I can get it. But cause some days I be feeling like I want a track car. Other days I don't be feeling like I want a track car. Some days I feel like I want an I8. Some days I'll be feeling like I want a Hellcat. Like, it really just depends, y'all. Like, I don't know. And let me know down in the comments, like, what car do y'all drive right now? Do y'all drive a Jeep? Like, do y'all drive like a Chevy truck? Anything like that? Like anything, like a Honda? Damn, I don't know. It might be somebody watching me that drive a damn Lambo. Shit. And that's trying to get a Jeep. But yeah, let me know. So basically, y'all, I guess I'm just driving around, like going through little areas. I'm not going nowhere crazy, man. So yeah. Oh, I got a question. Like, this has been like a big debate in my home state. So like, so how do y'all feel about like squatted vehicles, man? Like, some people love them, some people hate them. Personally, like, if it look good to me, I like it, man. Hey, if it don't look good, man, I gotta respect everybody's bill. Like, I can't be no hater. I can't be no hater to nobody, man. That ain't me. You feel me? So yeah, you got to support everybody and whatever they want to do to their vehicles or whatever they want to do in life. So yeah, that's just how I see it. You feel me? So we about to, man, let's get the thing on the road, man. I'm playing. I would have got on the highway for y'all, but matter of fact, we can't go on the highway. Forget it. We can go on the highway. Should I take it down the strip first? Then take it on the highway. We're gonna take it on the strip. So let me ask y'all a question. So Chipotle or Moe's, bruh? See, like me, I feel like don't nothing beat Chipotle. Cause Chipotle just don't ever miss. Like, no matter what you get, it don't miss. But some people say Moe's cause Moe's is cheaper. But it really also, like, it really depends, like, what you get and what you prefer. So I say Chipotle, even though it's a little on the expensive side. But hey, it don't mind me, man. It don't bother me at all. Feel me? But yeah. Dang, this light taking a minute, ain't it? Oh, there you go. Didn't take too long. Alright. Oh my goodness, but hey, wait until I get me a V8, boy. I'ma straight pipe that. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'ma straight pipe it. That junk gonna sound so good, boy. Listen to this. Oh my God, this shit crazy. Let me slow my head down. They were, hey, I ain't gonna lie, they had their hands up. I couldn't even blow, man. I'm so focused on like how this shit sound. This shit sound good. But I know it sound better than this, man. That's what made me want it. Like, that's what made me want like a V8. Like, I don't even gotta get a Trackhawk, bro. I can get a SRT Jeep or a Scat Pack. Like I know that sound way better, y'all. Listen to this shit. Oh my goodness. This is like, it sound like, it may not sound good because it's a V6, because I know it's better. So that V8, like, oh my goodness, y'all. Man, I can't get over yet. Oh, yes I can. That boy taking too long. Hey, she got in the gap. Just sped up. I would have never gotten in front of him. Damn, my fault, yeah. But yeah, they like V8s just sound so good, especially like especially like in like older trucks, like a 20, like I was about to say a 2020. What? Like a 02 Chevrolet. Oh my goodness, with a cam. Oh my goodness, y'all. Like, that truck is like crazy. It sounds good, boy. Especially when you put like a cam in it. Oh my goodness. And cut off the cats. Like, anything without cats sound amazing when it's a V8. Like, I don't even know like what no cats on a V6 sound like. It probably don't even sound good, bro. That's just how I think about it. Like, it probably don't even sound good. But yeah, we about to get on the road. We on the highway with it right now. Show y'all how that Jeep get, you feel me? Show you how the Jeep get. These with the big tires on it too, y'all. Yeah, it's shaking. Hey, I'm telling y'all, that lineup did a little thing. It did a little thing. It's shaking, but it ain't shaking like, it ain't got a death wobble. But yeah, I don't know, like, one thing I do say is, like, if you got a Jeep and you trying to get rid of a death wobble and you running big tires, man, hey, you better stop all that complaining, man, because you ain't fixing that shit. That's the only thing I say. If you gonna sit around and complain, hey, man, I don't even know what to tell you. yeah, I feel like something like, okay. So I know some of y'all guys have seen the new Demon. Like, how do y'all feel about the new Demon, bro? I feel like it's like, it's no way, like, oh my goodness, that joint is crazy. It's like 1,025 horsepower. Only thing I don't like about it, y'all, only thing I don't personally like about it, y'all, is that it's like a wide body in the back and then a slim body in the front. Like, it don't look right to me, bro. Like, I wish they had like did something completely different to it to make it not look like that. But to be honest, like, it don't really bother me because I like how he got what Camel Cat said. Camel Cat said they put the Demon logo with a neck tag. Hey, Camel Cat said they should have made that junk a devil. That's crazy though. But yeah, I like it. Like, I like it. I just don't like the fact that it's like a slim body and a wide, like, slim body and a wide body. Why couldn't it just be a wide body? The wide body's so, like, anything that's a wide body, it just look better. And I know, like, and I realize, like, why they mark it up, because it looks so much better than a slim. But some people might put the wide body kit on it to make it look like the older Demon. But 1,025 horsepower in a car, bro, on the street, that's street legal, and it run like 93, and it could run and it could run I'm gonna go this way, and it could run E85. Yeah, E85. That's crazy. I don't know what they doing out here, but hey, if they doing that in a car, like, what if I dropped a video for y'all and I was like, I Hellcat swap my Jeep. Hey boy, what y'all think that video would do? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below, like, what y'all think that video would do. That junk sound crazy to me. We gonna get back on the highway. I ain't got nothing to do uptown. But yeah, that video sound crazy to me, bro. But let me know if y'all guys liking the POV in the Jeep. Like, I was just like, you know what, I might as well just drop POVs, you know, and then drop like the videos where I'm like actually doing something to the Jeep, like, cause I know some people want to see how like other people's Jeeps drive. Cause I'm that type of person. Like, if your Jeep drive better than mine, like, damn, like, what he got? But yeah, my Jeep don't drive too bad. Only thing I do, man, I just get a lineup consistently. Like, every time I change my oil, or before I change my oil, I get a lineup, man. So yeah, I get my oil changed like probably like 4,000, 5,000 miles. I know that's a little pushing it maybe to some people, but it just works. What works for me, you feel me? So yeah, that's what I do. And I keep my Jeep like maintained, like make sure it's in good shape and shit. So, you know, I always gotta make sure like what's the best thing for a Jeep. Cause like some people would spend like $2,000 on like a lift. I just got a little rough country shit, like I got a rough country stabilizer. But I don't know, I know it's things you can get around to make a Jeep drive like it's stock. Cause sometimes it already drives shit as like shit stock. So sometimes it really just depends. Like, I don't know. One thing I do want to get into, man, I think I'm gonna sell my tires and just like make an off-road build. Like, that junk looks so cool to me now. Like, I'm kind of getting out of like I was never in the truck scene. I just really like the big wheels, the big tires and stuff, and the squatted Jeeps. But yeah, I ain't never like, oh shit, I ain't never really, like, I was telling y'all, I think like 2 videos ago, that I had a secret for y'all. But the secret was I was planning on squatting my Jeep, but I didn't have the time. Well, I could have made the time, but I was just like, I don't know if I really want to do it or not. So I just said, forget it. So yeah, I don't know what I really want to do. Hey, that boy give me a thumbs up. Yeah, I got you, my boy. Appreciate the love, man. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But yeah, y'all, you just gotta, I don't know if I ever traded this in, I don't know what I would go with. Like, I'm really feeling like the SRTG, because it's damn near really the same price. Like, the trade value, bring it up, like, trade value probably like, I'll probably get like a lot of this, because I'm not even at 100 miles. I'm just about to hit 90. I done had this car for 2 years, and I'm just about to hit 90 miles. Like, that's kind of good in my eyes. Like, well, I got it at like 60. I got it at what? I think it was like 61. So yeah, it ain't too bad to me. So yeah, I think that's what I might do. Oh shoot, SRT, or like I might just go car. Cause I don't know, like the truck, like it's tough, but like I love like getting out of a lower car. It's like, it's what it is, man. Can I go? Damn, like, that's why I be getting confused at. They got a red light, and a red light. For no reason, like. I thought you could turn right on red. That's how it is in North Carolina, but. Yeah, man. This junk kind of crazy out here. So I think I'm about to go clean my rugs. But yeah, I don't really know. Kind of dirty, but it look gloomy outside, you know. Like, when it's gloomy, niggas really don't be feeling like doing too much. Damn, that shit sound good. Oh, I still got my signal light on. Yeah, y'all, this is where I'm gonna end out the video at. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. Hope y'all boys been loving the content, man. I'm bringing more to y'all. As y'all see, hey, this is the third day and I'm posting. I'm telling y'all I'm getting more consistent for y'all boys. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. Hope y'all boys enjoying the content. Catch y'all boys later, and I'm out.